Okay, so I've got my Canvas course open. I need to open my Google Meet. I've got to click a new tab just to get to the waffle, to click the Meet. So many clicks. Just wish there was a faster way. So in order to find the G-App extension, we're just going to search for it. G-App Launcher. Sorry, G-App Launcher. It's the first option that comes up here in the Google results. We're going to click on that. Comes up here and we get a blue button to add to Chrome. So we're going to go ahead and click that and add extension. You might get this pop-up window welcoming you to G-App Launcher. You don't need to worry about this. You can close this window altogether. Now, it went so quickly we couldn't even see it. It disappeared from our extensions list up here. So we're going to click the puzzle piece, and it is a multicolored rainbow waffle looking grid there. So we're going to pin that, and now it's up there with our extensions bar. So let's show you what that does. So instead of trying to open a Meet by going to a new Google tab and then clicking your waffle in this window, now from any window we're on, we can click the launcher, the waffle, up there in the corner. Now, right away, you might see some options that you're not terribly interested in. And in fact, we don't see some of the ones we are looking for. But we can click the little gear up here to customize it. So first off, I see over here things that are available to add, and then the ones that I have. If I don't want one, I can just drag it away. And if I do want one, like I love Google Keep, it's a great thing for me to keep notes and memos and lists and stuff. So I'm going to add that one on. I can also rearrange things. So I might want to have Google Meet be right up here at the top, because that's something I'm going to use all the time. Oh, there it goes. There's tons of options over here for things that you can look for. You can even search for things like maps, and look, there's all kinds of different sub-extensions of the Maps app there. After you're done customizing some of these options, you still might be like, well, how do I get things like Canvas? Because Canvas won't appear over here in the list of available options. So if we scroll down a little bit further, we have a bunch of different options. So one thing that we're going to want to do is turn on Display G Suite Apps. If you've got apps that are pushed out by your admin, this will make them also appear in your new launcher waffle. You also have several options for what you could have the logo look like. You could have it be a gray waffle, gray G, rainbow waffle. I like the rainbow waffle. All right. Now, let's say there's still some things that you go to all the time, but they're just not going to show up here from your G Suite, from your admin, or provided here in natively to Google. We can add custom shortcuts. So one custom shortcut that I added was a shortcut for Bloxy. Now that is in our personal set of apps from our admin, but if it's not for you, you can still get this. So we're going to name it Bloxy. I'm going to go to another window and I'm going to get my Bloxy URL. Now you might have to play around with some things, but I found for the Bloxy one, I actually don't want the end of that URL there, but I'm going to copy it, copy the web address. I'm going to go back to my settings here and I'm going to paste it. Now, if I just save it, you will see it does appear there, and this one was actually smart enough. It automatically found a logo for it, which is terrific. If it didn't find a logo for it, you can paste a logo for that down there to give it there. So, terrific. So we're going to save that, and maybe I want to move that now up higher. There we go. I don't want account really that high. I'm going to move that down. Okay, and you can keep customizing that until you've got it just how you like it. When you're all done, you can close this. Now, the really nice thing is when you go to your web launcher, look, we now see the customization of all the things that we chose at the top. Now, where are things like Canvas pushed out by your admin? They are still down below. They're a little closer than before because I had a ton of things on my waffle that were keeping it out of the way. Now, if you wanted to get Canvas up higher, you can't just drag it that simply. You can drag things here to rearrange them, which is nice, but anything pushed out by your admin is stuck below this line here. Now, a not so perfect solution for things like Canvas, you can add a custom shortcut, Canvas, and I can go and try to get the URL for Canvas. So from this page, I can copy the Canvas. I'm not going to copy the last little bit because that's the specific course that I'm on there. But if I go back to here I can paste this. What I have found, though, is that if I'm not already logged into Canvas, this won't work. So I still like to have it in here. Most of the time I'm already logged into Canvas, and then this will work. It'll take me to my courses. But if I'm not logged into Canvas, then I'll have to go and use this special one pushed out by my admin. So hopefully this extension was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.